Senator Francis Tolentino, pinagtanggol ang kapwa-senador sa pagsusuot ng West Philippine Sea T-shirt sa Philippines versus China game.
Ano naman yan we have a right, they have a right, all of us have a right to freedom of expression. So it's one way of showing their unity. Hindi po ito first time nakita nung opening game po natin yung opening po sa Philippine Arena, may mga nakasuot na gano'n kulay pula nga lang. Napuna ko na yan, tinuro ko po yung kay Subiri, magkatabi kami. Sabi ko, tingnan mo yun, may mga nakasuot na gano'n. So, wala pong masama doon, nagpapakita ng kanilang personal political beliefs na akin po yung West Philippine Sea, even in a sports such as the FIBA. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Kumbaga